welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to plan a multi-stop route with Google Maps. Now, I've seen some people overcomplicate this process. The easiest way is to open up Google Maps, and let's say we want to go from Crawley here, and we're about here. So we just drop a pin. Then once we've dropped a pin, so let's say we're here, we want to select directions. We don't want to go to your location, we can select that. We can choose on the map. Then we want to go to Oxford and press OK. It'll plan the route for you. You want to press these three little dots next to Mercury Foundation, and then you want to simply press add a stop. Again, we can type the location, or we can choose on the map. Then we want to go to Corby here. Press OK, and you can just keep adding stops as you go. Then each time the map will work out. Once you've finished adding stops, you just press done here, and there you go. There's your multi-stop route with Google Maps. So if you're planning a multi-stop route with Google Maps, that's how you do it. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.